What's up, fellas? Today is kind of like an day. David came by and David brought his race car / drift car. David has to quiet his car down because it's too loud. Okay, so on the agenda today, I got to put tires on. I know what I'm gonna do for that. Dave's gonna check if he's gonna be able to make this bad boy a little more quiet. So inkweight letters, 2 small resonator, and then 2 ching chong muffler.
Start it up?
Yeah, start it up. Sorry, neighbors. Oh my gosh, I didn't want to like get my neighbors that mad, but Jesus Christ, that thing was like gunshots. Did you see my face? It's not just this on camera. Like literally, I wish I had it on my face because you guys can see. Even I was like, shut the fuck up. I woke up today with the 540 on a flat, which was kind of like a bummer. So I'm just gonna change tires. But since our tires are already bad, we're about to hit the free on ramp. In mid-drift, I forgot to disable traction control, so I was just about the clutch kick, and I was just holding it, pressed the button, and then, wow. So I'm looking for a place to kill the tires, because, you know, I just want to shred the rest of them. The spot we're at was too residential, so I didn't feel so good. And also, from that little burnout, the little drift I tried to do, when I forgot to turn off my traction control, car threw a check engine light. So now I got a check engine light. I don't even know what it's for. Oh, yeah, David's E39 at the muffler shop. We forgot to announce that. I seen some tips that I want to buy because I have a secret going on. And there's an M4 with a stock exhaust. That must be really boring. And David has the 540.
Yeah.
Now you drove the 530. You know how fucking gutless that was. Now you're gonna feel the difference with this one. Like already.
Yeah, already, dude.
Night and day. 530 versus 540, night and day, guys.
I'm gonna sprinkle some magic on your 530 though.
Yeah, I know. I like how you said it like you're grabbing it from the boss. I'm gonna speak of some magic.
That's how you gotta do it.
Oh, did I tell you guys about the check engine light? Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but check engine light came on after that stupid little slide.
I wonder if you can see my car from the camera drifting in the background.
Oh, you did too?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's both of us. Dude.
Wow, that would have been cool if it got us.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're gonna find out if open diff is open diff, or if hopefully they both can turn at the same time. I forgot to say, like, we hit 5K, so maybe it's a 5K celebration.
Yeah, hey. Look.
I had to record because there was some homeless guy influences me to do some bad shit. He said to slide around the corner. So I was like, all right, I'll just burn around and come around the corner and it'll look cool, right?
Yeah.
Doing it, and as I'm crawling, I turn the corner and there's this biker, right? And this biker, I guess he gets shocked because I'm like making noise. So then he fucking shakes his head, right? And then I'm like, sorry, in the middle of the burnout, like, oh, I'm sorry. But I'm doing it responsibly. I'm like away from the area. But shout out to the homeless guy. That gave me a bad influence.
You don't know if it was really homeless, man.
Oh, I know, yeah. I don't know if he was homeless. I wonder how my tires are.
Dude. Tires are just about done.
Yeah.
You did the right amount. We're not stuck there, so.
True.
Yeah.
That shit could have popped.
Oh fuck. Type X 180SX.
I knew this guy. His name is Chris. That one's turbocharged. Let's get out of here for the cops. Because that biker was not happy. He was like, dude, I ride my bike. I'm saving the environment while you're just fucking smoking it up.
Race cats.
With the race cats and check engine, so your car's polluting even more. Alright, put tires on. Grab David's muffler. Today's a success so far, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, we're good. tires. They're freaking not burning together. I have an open diff, unfortunately. Music on and make it a little like, if I want to see this. We were just doing donuts right now.
Shit, I want to see the air, man.
Hey, look at that. Haha, oh, that's kind of good. Huh?
Really spinning.
That's about it. Tires are on. We're gonna go get David's car in a little bit. And yeah, success so far.
Alright, basically we're doing a resonator on my car because all we have on it is literally a small race bullet and a 3-inch muffler. So they added another resonator right there in the middle. Just welding that up right now. And the thing was, there was too much rasp in the exhaust at the low end of the RPM. So I kind of just wanted to add a resonator to smooth it out a little bit more and just have it scream higher in the RPM. And we'll see how it comes out. Better.
Yeah, a little better, right? It's still got the little rumble.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
I think the car sounds beautiful. It's not too loud, like gunshot loud. Just sounds pretty peppered up, you know. All right, so we're just gonna get some little outside shots. Yeah, this time it didn't scare me like the other time. We got this new exhaust set up. Let me know what you guys think. Dude, this sounds good. It sounds like a beautiful straight 6. Oh, here he goes again. That's a little deadly, man. I just jeopardized my life.
Shit. Oh, he stalled it. He stalled it.
I don't know.
Damn, that sounds okay, I think. I'll make it a little bit louder though, because I'm just anal like that with exhaust, but for the time being I think it's okay. I still want a little bit more though.
David's crazy. Let him know in the comments below. In real life, it sounds pretty good.
Yeah, I think it sounds like it kind of sounds like a watered down S54 sort of.
Yeah?
Not really, because it doesn't have that compression.
It doesn't have that rasp.
Yeah, it
It's
doesn't have
beautiful.
that rasp.
On that stall, it's a 6-buck clutch. This thing is hard to drive, man.
And 16-pound flywheel. Yeah, 16-pound flywheel and 6-buck clutch. So I forgive him.
I think we're gonna like sign out because today was success, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Farewell. Oh yeah, they actually have a channel that they never post on, but one day they will.
Yeah.
Budget Meal Racing?
Budget Meal Racing.
I'll tag it in the description if you guys want to see more of David's face. But yeah, for the most part, like, subscribe, comment, all the famous YouTube stuff. See you later, people.